If you want to rename a project in GCP, you have to go to navigation menu, scroll down, select IAM and admin, click on this. Scroll down towards your left, you can find the manage resources, click on this icon. So under manage resources you can find the list of project. So this is my project. So select the project which you want to rename, and towards your right you can see 3 dots, click on this, click on settings. So here the project name is my project. I will be going to rename it to my demo project. Click on save. So now the rename is successful. You can close this message and go back. Refresh the page. Now the project is renamed to my demo project.